So let's discuss about how to compress a video in Mac. Okay, so if you have a video file, you just see that this is my video file. Okay, and you just see that the file size, if I just go to the info, now you just see that my file size is 2.43 GB. Okay, so how I just convert this file size to very low number means like I just convert this file size to 300 MB only. Okay, if you have 1.1 GB video, then I can convert it into 33 MB. Okay, so how it's possible? So first you understand what the meaning of video files, like what the meaning of .mov file. Okay, so what the meaning of .mov, what the meaning of .mp4, and there different type of video file formats are there. Okay, so file format means what the meaning of file formats? File format means there is one type of container. Okay, so container means I just give one example, just try to understand. So you just see that one envelope. Okay, if I just take a example of envelope, one envelope, inside the envelope I have one paper is there. Okay, so that does not matter the envelope made in aluminum, made in plastic or any cardboard, that does not matter. Okay, inside the envelope is a single paper. Okay, so paper is the data, means inside the envelope you have a paper data is there. Okay, so that does not matter your envelope is made of steel or aluminum or plastic, it does not matter. Okay, so means your envelope, if your envelope is made of steel or plastic, so then you have a extension like dot steel dot plastic. Okay, so like that. So the main thing matter the compression. Okay, which type of codec is used, which type of codec is used for compress the data. Okay, so that's the very important thing. Okay, inside the in the video. Okay, so the main thing is here you just see that my codec is H264. Okay, this one is a video codec format. Okay, and this is a compression format. Okay, and you just see that in 2016 I just create this video. Now HEVC format is available. Okay, it's a video encoded format. Okay, so through HEVC, if you just compress this video, so your video size dramatically reduce. Okay, I think that if you just compress the video by using HEVC encodec, and then maybe this video is not running in older system, because in the older system you don't have HEVC codec supported. Okay, so maybe you just install third party preview application or any application like that. Okay, so here I have one preview application is there. I have some QuickTime application is there. Okay, so QuickTime is the player, is not a video player. It's also through QuickTime also we can convert the video one resolution to another resolution. We can convert one video codec to another video codec, and we can convert one video format to another video format. Okay, and we can compress the video also. Okay, I think you don't understand, so I just give one example. Okay, now you just see the video. Now just see the video quality, how the video quality is look like. First you just see, then I just compress the video. Okay, I just open this video directly. Okay, now just see that here I just play the video. Okay, I just use some speed ramp. I think the video is, you will see, it's a 5K video. Okay, you just see the little bars are there, and you just see that you can clearly see the vehicles, bike, buildings, and you just see the proper detailing of the color. You just see that you can see everything. Okay. And the main problem is the file size is very large. Okay. File size is it's around 2.6 minute or 2.4 minute video, but the file size is around 3 GB. Point something GB is there. Now you see that it's very clear. You see the sharpness is very high. What I do here, you see that just open this video. Okay, just open this video and go to the file option. You see that one file option is there here. Then you just export as 4K. Export as 4K. Okay. And over the location, here my location is desktop. You can change the location also, but I want to store inside my desktop. Okay. And you just see that the main thing here, I don't use the H264. Okay, this one is a video encodec. It's a video codec. Okay, means it's a compression technique. Okay, it's a compression technique, means okay, I don't use the H26 codec, because here I have a advanced codec is there, HEVC, high efficiency video codec. Okay, so I use this video codec. Okay, small file size, so it's only help me compress the file size. Okay, now you just see that if you just and you can change the name also, and I store this file inside the desktop. Okay, now you just see that when I just save this video, it takes some time. That's depend upon your system performance. And okay, it just take some time. Okay, then you get a file here. Okay, it takes some time. Now just see that the video quality is very good quality video. Now you see that in my desktop here the video is creating. Okay, it takes so much time. It's just compress, because I am in the same time I also recording this video, and it's a 5K video. The resolution is a 5K video, so that's why it takes some time. Okay, so you don't lose any single amount of quality. Okay, you don't lose any single amount of quality, because I just only change the codec. Okay, so you have a question, if the codec is so important, so why we need the format like .mp4 format, .mov format? So why the format is required? Means format means that the box means you use the plastic or steel. So why the plastic and steel box are required? So the main thing is, so when we upload this video in some platform like YouTube, Instagram, or anywhere, so in that time, if the platform explicitly mention that and explicitly restrict that you just upload your video in the form of MOV. So otherwise, if you have a MP4 video, so you can't upload this in this platform. So in that time you can convert the format. So I show you how to convert the format to MOV to MP4. Just rename it MP, just rename it. Okay, so here I just give one example. Here it takes some time. Okay, now you just see that I have a this file is there. Okay, I have a this file is there. I show you. This one is one gameplay video. Okay, this one is a gameplay video, and this one is the file format is MP4. Okay, I just convert this video to MP4. Okay, how to convert this video to mp4? Just mp4. okay, now you just give warning. okay, so you are sure you want to to change the extension .mov to mp4, so you can either keep the mov or you can convert to mp4. okay, now you see that my format is changed .mp4. I only changed the format, but still it's a HEVC. I just get info. I'm recording this one is still the codec is H264. okay, my codec is not HEVC, it's a H264, so that's why the video size is very high. The video size is 2.57 GB. okay, now you see that, because if your codec is H264, then the file size is very increased. That's not depend upon your file extension, like it's either mp4, mov, or any file extension. It does not matter, means it's matter which codec, which type of compression you use. okay, which type of encoding you use inside your video. okay, so if your video encoding format is HEVC, so then the file size is very reduced. okay, and it does not impact in your video. okay, it does not impact your video, means you don't lose any video. Now you just see that my processing is complete. Now I just open this video. okay, I just show you the file size. okay, you just see the get info, it's a 3.33 MB. okay, you just see that 2 point something GB to 3.11 MB. okay, now just see that, the video. I just play the video, and there I don't lose any single amount of quality. Now you see that the quality is same. You see that the quality is same. I don't lose any single detail. okay, these small little parts are there, and you see that the car, vehicles, both are same. And the main thing is compression. Here I use better compression. okay, and maybe this video is not working, not opening in your older PC. You use older PC, so in that time you need to either you use some HEVC extension, or you can install any third-party software like QuickTime Player software in Windows or Apple iOS system. It's a advanced coding system. HEVC only for video. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for getting this type of content. So I just recap this two things. So today we learn about how to compress a video and how to compress a image. okay, if you understand 1% in this video, so you can subscribe my channel. okay.